Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, and today we're going to talk about our robot arm load system, which as you can see is running right now. This system is designed to put a heavy load on this Panasonic motor controller with its mated motor. Here we have about 10 pounds worth of weight, and we're doing a jerking up and down motion, which is the closest that we can come up with to simulate the jerking motions of a robot used in an assembly process. This allows us to fully load this motor control and let it run for an extended time window so that we can make sure that this is properly operating out in the field once we ship it back. So at ERD, we're always trying to push the limits on how we test things and add new innovative ways to test electronics. Again, ERD, where we're repairing the world one robot controller, one board, one piece of electronics at a time.